Hey, I'm Erin from Steve's Auto Repair and Tire, and I'm here to talk to you about a few ways you can prepare your car for winter. When I first get in my car on a chilly day, my first thought is to turn on the heat. But a lot of us don't actually think about whether the heat controls and defroster are working. Now is a good time to check them. The last thing you want is to find out something is wrong when it's freezing outside. Windshield washer fluid is mainly used in the summer, but it's also needed to get frost off your windshield in the winter. Some people pre-dilute their windshield washer fluid when it's warmer and don't give it another thought. When the temperature drops, the tank can freeze and crack, causing the windshield washer fluid to leak out. You should also make sure your belts and battery are in good working order. Drastic changes in temperatures, both in the winter and summer, can kill a weak battery. Taking a look at your basic fluid levels, such as coolant, is another way you can get ready for winter. Since we're not using the heat during the rest of the year, we don't really consider if the coolant is low. Coolant plays an important role in temperature control, so it's a good idea to have someone check it out. During this time of year, it's also important to watch the tire pressure. As the temperature in the tire decreases, so does the PSI. A lot of people will notice that their tires are lower and automatically think that all of them are flat. If all tires look low, it's probably because of the temperature. If you notice that one tire is lower than the others, you may want to have it checked because it could mean that there's a leak. If you have any questions, give us a call at 703-670-8005 or visit us at 2603 Hanco Center Drive in Woodbridge.